Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. We've got another big week on our hands. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has his congressional testimony. Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. We got another big week on our hands, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell has his congressional testimony on Tuesday and Thursday. But first, let's talk about the S&P. It's breaking out above major three-star resistance. We had an extremely strong close on Friday, and this level right now that we're pushing out above at 2763 just further paves the path towards 2800. We talked about it on the tradable events last night. The NASDAQ confirmed a breakout of the bullish flag on Friday. Now the S&P is doing so today. We are bullish, and the path of least resistance remains higher. Back to the Fed chair, we have Jerome Powell. We don't think he's going to really rock the boat if he can help it. Ultimately, we think that he wants to get through this this March meeting, get that Fed hike underway, and then kind of see where the data sets us. The economic data from March, where is the inflation still going to be there? Okay. So we can kind of go with that. Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. We have another big week on our hands. Fed Chair Jerome Powell, he has his congressional testimony. It's his first time really taking the helm, and ultimately we don't think he's going to rock the boat. We'll get to that in a second. First, we have the S&P breaking out of its bullish flag. We need that confirmation on the close today, but we got really bullish last night on our tradable events. We said this thing is going to be headed higher, and the path is paved towards 2800 by Wednesday. Yes, by Wednesday. The NASDAQ broke out of its bull flag, confirmed it on Friday. The S&P should do so today. Yeah, we had major three-star resistance at 2763. That level is taken out already today. And yeah, we want to see it close out above there, but we think that we're going to start to see strong buying over the next 2 days. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's congressional testimony begins in the Senate on Tuesday, and we don't think he's really going to do anything to rock the boat. We've seen Treasury yields retreat from their highs, and this has helped equity markets. We do believe that he wants to get through that March Fed hike, and he wants to see where the data sets us. Where is first quarter GDP, and where is inflation? And if he can avoid rocking that boat on Tuesday and then on Thursday with the House, he's going to try to do so. We have PCE data on Thursday. It's going to be important to watch, and he may get some questions about that. So ultimately, we think this is going to be a big week. There's going to be quite a bit of volatility. We're watching the currencies as well. We do like the fact that the euro has a reduction in the net long position, and this really helped give it a little bit of relief and base for the next push. But does that push come this week? Ultimately, we remain long-term bullish the euro and long-term bearish the dollar. Give us a call to talk about all of this. If you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial of our research, 312-278-0500. We're here to talk about the markets. Email us, info@bluelinefutures.com. Remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.